Do you want to have gorgeous, thick, fluffy eyebrows like the ones you see in the magazines? I do. So I went on a quest to find something that was going to help me create these little suckers into something fabulous. So if you want to see what it is, check out the video. I'm not sure yet if it's going to work, so bear with me, but let's find out together. Hey babies! Thank you for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a quest for a gorgeous, thick, fluffy brow. Yes, I am sick and tired of constantly penciling in my brows. It takes me forever. And I just want something quick and easy that's still going to be gorgeous. So, with the weather getting really scorching hot here in California, I decided, the perfect thing would be a sloppy, bushy brow. It seems like it should be quick and easy. So yeah, I went to the store to try to find the perfect product to help me create that bushy brow. Normally, I use ABH products for my brows or Benefit products. And, I kind of wanted something new, something quick and easy. And then suddenly it hit me in the store. I saw these big letters and it said bushy brow. And I was like sold immediately, just that alone, because that was exactly what I was looking for. And I found the NYX Fill and Fluff Eyebrow Pomade Pencil, which looks like this. It was about $11. Yeah, so I'm going to see if it works. And I hope it does. I really hope it's fabulous and quick, because this would just be so awesome if it works. It says, it's an all-in-one eyebrow pencil that features a smooth, waxy pomade for shading and a tiny paddle brush for fluffing and blending together an effortless look. I like that. That word effortless is awesome because that's exactly what I'm looking for. I so hope that this works. I hope this is like fabulous. Now, another problem that I had was that it came in 8 different shades and I didn't know what shade to pick. Normally I go like a shade lighter than my own eyebrows. And I asked my son what he thought I should get and he was like, I don't know. The usual child answer. But yeah, so I just went with the black. I figured my hair is black, just big black. And let me show you guys the actual pencil. So this is what it looks like. One end has a very cute little brush. And the other end has the teardrop shaped pomade. First of all, I should say that my eyebrows are very, I don't know, they used to be a lot bushier when I was growing up, and then I started tweezing them and then I started threading them, and I wish they would grow back to the way they were when I was like before I started tweezing them, because I had that big full bushy brow, but for some reason now it grows, but it's not that bushy. I always have to like shape it with like pencil and stuff, but yeah, so we'll see where it goes. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so we can get this party started. I am going to start with the pomade side. Let's just see how thick it is. Oh, I like that you don't have to like constantly go over the same spot. It instantly gives off color, so that's a good thing. And the whole purpose of this look is that I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to look kind of like quickly done, I think the color is on point. The color is okay. I'm gonna use that cute little brush to kind of blend it out like I normally do when I do my brows. It's a cute little brush, by the way. The brush here in the front. I like my brows to be kind of lighter on the inside and kind of have an ombre effect working towards the outside. So it kind of looks more natural. See, it can look a little sloppy. Sometimes makeup is better when it looks like you haven't spent that much time on it. So, yeah, there we go. I'm purposely not going to use any concealer to carve out my brow. I just want to see what this pencil on itself does, okay? So, let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. So this is the difference between the brows. Before, after. I am going to do my other brow now, and then I will be back with my final thoughts on this baby. My final thoughts on the NYX Fill and Fluff Brow Pomade Pencil. First of all, let me tell you guys, this video is absolutely not sponsored at all. And this is what I love about YouTube and doing Instagram and all that stuff. You get to discover these fabulous brands and great products that you would otherwise never even try. And so if you are looking for great reviews, like, you know, someone who like thinks everything is fabulous and just, you know, will tell you everything's fabulous even though it sucks, then this is not the channel for you. I value honest reviews because if I was reading a review, I would want to know that it is, you know, a truthful review. There's no value in bogus reviews anyways. So now about the pencil. I have to say, guys, about this brush, it is awesome how it really brushes through the hairs and makes them like kind of messy and really makes it seem like you have a lot of hairs, which is fabulous. I looked in the mirror and I was like, I had to do like a double take because it looked really good. But yeah, the one thing I would say about the little brush is not to put too much pressure on it, especially not on the inner corner if you're like me and you want to kind of have that ombre effect where it goes from light to dark. Because the more pressure you put on it, the more it smudges out the pomade, making it look more like a stain than actual hairs. The pomade itself, I love that it's buildable. Yeah, you can make your brow, you can just add a little bit and brush through it and it will look nice. But if you want to darken it up a little bit, you can do so too. So I love that it's buildable. For the price of $11, this pencil is life. Yes, people, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I am all about brows. So don't get it twisted. This does an awesome job. I will be using it a lot more. So prepare to see this all over my Instagram and all my brows will look fabulous. Let me know what you thought of this review. Have you used this pencil before? Are you thinking of using it? Are you going to try it? You know, let me know. I would love to know. Yeah, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And that was my video for this week, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys again next week.